Nestled among the rolling hills of southern Sicily, there is a city where history and life intertwine so effortlessly, it feels as if time itself moves differently here. Its name is Ragusa. Split into two parts, the city tells two stories. Ragusa Ibla, the old town, with winding cobblestone streets, hidden piazzas, and Baroque churches that seem to rise from the earth itself, and Ragusa Superiore, the modern upper town, alive with cafes, shops, and the soft hum of everyday life. In Ibla, every corner is a painting. Stone staircases curve gracefully, balconies overflow with flowers, and the sun casts long shadows across centuries-old palaces. Here, history isn't locked in a museum. It lives, breathes, and whispers as you walk. The city's heart is its Baroque architecture, rebuilt after the devastating earthquake of 1693. Each church, each palace, each intricate facade is a testament to human resilience, to beauty that rises from ruin, and to a people who cherish elegance in every detail. As you wander through the narrow alleys of Ibla, you feel the past brushing gently against the present. The smell of freshly baked bread drifts from small bakeries, and somewhere a musician plays softly in a piazza, adding a soundtrack to the timeless streets. Crossing into Ragusa Superiore, the scene changes. Here, modern life pulses quietly but steadily. Families stroll along wide boulevards, locals sip espresso in sunlit squares, and the rhythm of the city feels both gentle and alive. From high above, the view of Ragusa is breathtaking. The old town clings to the hill like a treasure, the red-tiled roofs and golden stone glowing in the afternoon sun, while the surrounding countryside stretches endlessly, a patchwork of olive groves, vineyards, and rolling hills. As the day fades, Ragusa transforms once again. Street lamps flicker to life, casting a soft golden glow on the stone streets. The church bells ring gently, echoing across the valleys, and the city exhales as if it had been holding its breath all day. Life here is unhurried, but rich in rhythm. A simple meal, fresh pasta, local cheese, sun-ripened tomatoes, becomes a celebration of flavor, of place, of Sicily itself. Evenings are for wandering, for letting the city's calm seep into your senses, for listening to the stories that the stones, the walls, and the piazzas hold. Ragusa is not just a city to see, it's a city to experience, to feel the warmth of Sicilian sun on your skin, to sense the centuries in every shadow, to breathe slowly, and to remember what it means to move gently through time. And when you finally leave, you carry a part of Ragusa with you, not in your hands, not in photographs, but in the quiet spaces between moments, where history, beauty, and life dance together under the endless Sicilian sky.